Hey guys, it's Matt over at BePreparedA2Z.com. I'm so excited to be with you tonight because I'm going to make one of my favorite all-time comfort foods, Hamburger Stroganoff. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so here we go. We got the hamburger cooking. I got a real low-fat hamburger. It was like a 93% beef, 7 fat. You can use virtually any meat you want. You can use a ground pork, you can use ground turkey or ground chicken. I have just found that in my experience, the pork and the beef do better. They give you a better flavor, a sweeter flavor than the ground chicken and the ground turkey. You got the egg noodles going in the back, got the water turned up. Those will be cooking hopefully pretty quick. They seem to be kind of sitting there right now. I'm not sure why. And you can use any egg noodles you want. You can use any noodle. You could use spaghetti. You could use anything that you wanted to, fettuccine or whatever that you wanted as far as a pasta product. Get the water boiled off of here. Notice there's not much fluid left with this at all. So the next thing, and I'm going to turn this heat down on this beef, is we just want to add our sauce ingredients. The first thing is a cream of mushroom soup. And for 1 pound of meat, I like to do 2 cans. It doesn't have to be real pretty, but you want to get as much of this out of here as you can. You don't want to waste it. And I like to stir that in and get that heating because this takes a little longer than the sour cream does. Sour cream seems to heat up and melt, I guess, if you will, into the recipe fairly quickly. Whereas this soup seems to take a little longer. It's thicker consistency. And so I want to get this mixed in real well. And then we're going to take the sour cream, and I've got a 1 pound size here. I'm going to take about half of it and scoop it in here. And we'll start there. You can always add more, but it's a lot easier to add it than it is to take it out. So we'll add in about half, and then the sour cream is it's a taste kind of thing, however much you like. And some people don't like a lot of it. Some people like a more sour flavor to their hamburger stroganoff, and if that's what works, however you want to do that. I don't recommend going over equal parts of soup and sour cream. It just doesn't seem to. If you got more sour cream, it's just too sour for my taste. And so here's this. Now this isn't mixed 100%, but I need to show you the next thing because it's pretty important, and that is the onion powder. Onion powder, you need to be pretty generous with this. Now, you can use chopped up onions if you'd like, but in this lazy man's hamburger stroganoff, we're just gonna throw in some powder and then just keep mixing. And while you're doing this, your sauce is heating. Just keep mixing this in. While that's heating for a minute, I'm going to get the noodles and get them drained. Set those off to the side. Stir, stir, stir. And as soon as this is heated through, it's done. We've got all the ingredients in here. We're just waiting for the soup and the sour cream to warm up. Now, if this is too thick, I know some people like a thinner sauce. You can take any kind of a milk product and add to it. I prefer something like a whole milk or a half and half because, again, this is a comfort food and I'm going to make it rich and creamy and comforting. But if you've got a milk allergy or something like that, then obviously you'll need to adjust ingredients to do what you got to do. So the sauce is getting pretty close, so we'll give it just another minute. All right, well, I'm going to turn that burner off. It's acting like it's plenty hot. It's starting to bubble right away again. So I'm going to take some of these noodles, some of this pasta, and I'm going to get this on my plate here. And I'm going to scoop this sauce. And I like a good heavy coating on there, because I want to make sure I got flavor in every bite. All right, that looks pretty good. I think I'm going to have to take that over and give that a sampling. Be right back. Well, here we go. See how this came out. Nailed it. You got to try this. This is amazing. Nice mix of onion and sour cream and cream mushroom soup with the beef. Oh, amazing. I don't know how much that pan's going to be left when I get done here. I mean, I made enough for like 4 people, but this is great. Listen, this is Matt with BePreparedA2Z.com. Thanks for watching. Thanks for joining me. Like, share, hit that little bell, get the notifications. See you next time. Thanks for stopping by.